Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JVC earphones with your Android smartphone. Okay, so to do this, first of all you have to charge your case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%. At the back you can find input for the micro USB cable. Next you have to simply open this charging case, remove both earbuds from this case and take a look for the indicators. The left one will start blinking like that on the red and the white quickly, and the right one will start blinking white. Just let me show you and wait for it. As you can see, it's automatically set up to the pairing mode after a few moments. So next, put them close to your Android phone. We have to open the Bluetooth settings, then go for the pair new device. Select your JVC earphones from the list. Accept the pairing request. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.